Hey, great to see you again. Are you hungry? Come on over. We're making chicken shahi kebabs. These luscious chicken kebabs are filled with cheese and so easy to make, and they're super yummy. So let's get started. We start off with 600 grams of minced chicken, and to this we're going to add 2 tablespoons each of ginger and garlic that has been minced finely. We're also going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of green chilies that have been ground with a little bit of water to make a paste. You can add mild or spicy green chilies according to your taste preference. To this, add 2 teaspoons of tandoori masala powder along with 1 teaspoon of garam masala, as well as a half a teaspoon of white pepper powder. We're also going to add 2 tablespoons each of chopped fresh cilantro, that's coriander, and mint leaves. For the recipes on tandoori masala as well as homemade garam masala, please check the description box. Next, we're adding 3/4 of a cup of breadcrumbs as well as just over half a teaspoon of salt. Use your hands to fold in this mixture. Keep turning it over until all the ingredients are incorporated thoroughly. Now I like to rest this mixture for about 10 minutes for the flavors to develop, and later we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Use any neutral flavored oil. I'm using sunflower oil, and just give it a mix once again till the oil is incorporated. So that's our filling, it's ready. So here I have some parchment paper. And then we're going to add 1 large size ball like this and flatten it by folding over the parchment paper like this. Spread it so that it's large enough to accommodate our cheese slice. We're using natural cheese slices. I'm using mozzarella, and please make sure you're using natural cheese slices instead of the processed stuff because it makes a huge difference in flavor. Now we're going to fold over the parchment paper from both edges so that it covers the cheese slice neatly. I just changed parchment paper because this one works better. And for the final edge, we're just going to roll in like this so that you get a nice cheese stuffed chicken roll. Using this parchment paper helps you get that neat roll. Next, we're just going to roll the rolls in some breadcrumbs just to cover like this. And you have a very pretty looking delicate chicken roll, so handle with care. So let's have a look at a couple more. So once all your rolls are breaded, this recipe makes about 10 of these rolls. We're going to dip them into an egg wash. I have 3 eggs that have been beaten. Usually recipes and snacks like this, we dip them in the egg wash first and then in the breadcrumbs, but here we're doing the opposite. And then we're going to add this to a skillet of hot oil to deep fry them. Add in batches. Fry on a medium heat with a constant bubbling action like this. You don't want to fry on a high heat because the outer surface will become brown too quickly before the chicken gets cooked properly. And since the minced chicken layer is so thin, it does cook quite quickly, so you don't have to worry about that undercooked chicken. Just cook it, fry it for about 2 minutes on both sides, and it should be cooked, and you don't want to over fry them. Drain these yummies on some kitchen paper towel, and then you can add your next batch. Your chicken shahi rolls or your cheese stuffed chicken kebab rolls are ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe video. I'm leaving you with the recipe card here, and let me know if you try the recipe, and let me know what you think of the recipe in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.